Hello everyone. Today, October 7th, 2021, it's our last day of this term. But here we have a little topic to see. What is the title? Let's see together. Here we have, where's the animal? Where's the animal? In this case, we are going to ask and answer questions using the word where, in order to know the location of something. In this case, the location of the animal. Let's see. As usual, we are going to review this part about the preposition. Remember, in, on, and under. Miss, why do we have to review this part? Well, because when someone made a question, we need to answer. And remember that the question says where. So we need to use some preposition of place, like, for example, like, in, on, and under. We are going to use those according to the information we got in each picture. Let's see. In this case, as I told you, we are going to ask and answer. Let's see. In this case, look at the teacher. The teacher will make a question. Where? Where is the kangaroo? Where is the kangaroo? Let's see. To answer, we need to see this picture. Look here. The information is here in the picture. Now you can see here, the kangaroo is here. The kangaroo is here. And what is this? What is this? So we can answer this. The kangaroo is under the tree. One more time. Where is the kangaroo? The kangaroo is under, look here, it's under the tree. So we are going to practice this one more time. So listen, please, listen. Where is the kangaroo? Where is the kangaroo? The kangaroo is under the tree. The kangaroo is under the tree. So we can move on. Another example. Remember that we are asking and answering the question. In this case, the teacher asks, where is the kangaroo? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you're right. My mistake. I haven't watched the picture. In this case, the picture is different from the previous one. We can see here that there is not a kangaroo, it's a bird. So the question is, where is the bird? Where is the bird? In this case, how will be the answer? The bird is in the river. You can see the bird is taking a shower. He is drinking some water too. So the answer is, the bird is in the river. Where? Where is the bird? The bird is in the river. Is in the river. Now let's see another example. Another here. So Miss Danai must pay close attention to the next picture in order to not making any mistake. Let's see. This case, one more time here we have ask and answer. But now look here in the picture. The animal is a tiger. It's a tiger. Where's the tiger? Where is the tiger? Where is the tiger? Well, let's see. The tiger is here And oh well, it is, in this case, look at here, what is this? What is this? Let's see. The answer is the tiger. The tiger, because the question is, where's the tiger? Hey, please help me. Where is the tiger? The tiger is under, no. In, no, no either. On. You can see here, it's on the rock. The tiger is on the rock. Where is the tiger? The tiger is on the rock. And where do we find that information? Remember in the picture. Where is the tiger? The tiger is on the rock. The tiger is on the rock. So one more time. The tiger is on the rock. Where is the tiger? It's a question. The tiger is on the rock. The answer. Now we are going to see this activity that is in our student book. So here we have, where is the monkey? It's on the rock. You can see that there are another way to answer. I can use it's. Why, Miss Danai? Because we are talking about the animal. Or I can say the monkey. The monkey. Where is the monkey? The monkey is on the rock. On the rock. So in this case, you can choose what to use. I prefer the second one because I can practice the vocabulary here, writing the word monkey. Or you can use it's. It's on the rock. You can see here in this part here we have is. And here, this is here with the S, only with the S. So you can see it, the monkey. Is on the rock. You have two options. It's on the rock or the monkey is on the rock. Remember that you are the only one who chooses what is better for you. In my case, I prefer to use this one because I can practice the writing of each word. This is, for example, in number 1. For example, in number 3, I can ask, where is the penguin here? Where is the penguin? It's under the rock. Or we can say, the penguin is under the rock. One more time. Where is the penguin in number 3? Where is the penguin? The penguin is under the rock. Or it's under the rock. Okay, so you can use this activity to continue practicing this part. Remember that in this case, we continue using the prepositions of place. In, on, and under. Let's see. Well, everyone, I think this is all for today. Remember that you have some little activities at the platform, the quizzes, that it's for practicing this topic. Okay, so let me tell you that I will miss you too. Have a wonderful school holidays and see you the next term. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for working really hard this term. I'm so proud of all of you. Keep working and enjoy your school holidays. See you the next class.